is like half of my V-Bucks. First of all, it's Lord, I'm gonna have 350 V-Bucks left if I buy him. I'm gonna have 50 V-Bucks if I just buy his bundle. That's crazy.
Alright, I'm doing like another video right now so I can show you what I mean.
I have enough to get
clip.
25,000. I have enough to get that. No, I'm cooked. Should I get 25? Should I get? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I buy at 25 levels where I can get 25 rewards and finish the whole battle pass? I got 76 actually rewards claimed. So should I? Because I'll have 50 V-Bucks. Should I get like one? I should get it when I get my wild levels, or should I buy it now? Why not? Just ask. Cause I could get 25 more. Cause this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I get the whole battle pass.
Do the switch. That's crazy.